Hi, and welcome to my video. My name is Shayla Sexton, and today I'll be showing you how to replace a keycap on your mechanical keyboard. The first step is gathering your tools. For this, you will need a keycap puller and your new keycap. The next step will be using your keycap puller to pull off the key of your choice. In this case, I'll be taking off the escape key. And lastly, you will take your brand new keycap and place it over the exposed switch. And now your keyboard is complete. I hope you had an easy time replacing your keycaps, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.